I just saved a subscription box company $9,200 in monthly recurring revenue in exactly 14 days using a single Claude 3.5 Sonnet automation. Most self-proclaimed AI experts are obsessed with customer acquisition, running expensive Facebook ads and burning cash to find new leads. They are completely ignoring the leaky bucket that is draining their bank account every single night. Churn is the silent killer of every subscription business, whether it's a SaaS platform, a supplement brand, or a digital newsletter. Right now, companies are desperate for someone to plug those holes because keeping an existing customer is 5 times cheaper than buying a new one. This is not about sending a generic "please stay" email with a 10% discount code. That is amateur hour and it kills profit margins. I'm going to show you the exact workflow I use to sell retention as a service for $4,000 a month per client, with about 3 hours of actual setup time. Most businesses do retention completely wrong. They wait until a customer clicks cancel to try and save them. By then, it's too late. The customer has already mentally moved on. Or they use basic dunning software that just retries failed credit cards. That isn't retention. That's just basic billing maintenance. The real money is in predictive churn analysis, identifying the exact moment a user's behavior changes and intervening before they even realize they want to quit. If a user who typically logs in 4 times a week suddenly hasn't logged in for 8 days, that is a red flag. If a customer starts asking, "How do I export my data?" in a support ticket, they are gone in 72 hours unless you act. Human teams can't monitor this at scale. AI can do it for pennies. Here is the actual method, and I'm going to be blunt. If you aren't comfortable looking at a CSV file or connecting 2 apps with an API key, stop watching. This is for people who want to build a real technical service. You need 3 tools: a data source, usually Stripe or a Shopify backend, an automation platform like Make.com, and Claude 3.5 Sonnet. Do not use GPT-4o for this. Its reasoning on behavioral nuance is currently inferior for this specific sentiment matching task. Step 1 is data extraction. You aren't just looking at names and emails. You need the behavioral metadata. This includes the date of their last login, the number of support tickets opened in the last 30 days, the sentiment score of those tickets, and their total lifetime value. You pull this data into a Google Sheet or a database via the Stripe API. Most business owners have no idea how to access this, which is why they will pay you. Step 2 is the churn scoring engine. This is where the AI does the heavy lifting. You create a prompt in Claude that acts as a senior data analyst. You feed it a batch of 50 customer profiles at a time. The prompt instructions must be hyper-specific. You tell the AI to rank each customer on a scale of 1 to 100 based on churn probability. A customer who has 3 unresolved support tickets and hasn't opened the app in a week gets a 90. A customer who uses the tool daily but just had a failed payment gets a 30. You tell Claude to output this strictly in JSON format so your automation can read it. Step 3 is the automated intervention. This is the part that actually makes the client money. Based on the score the AI generates, you trigger different workflows in Make.com. If the score is between 70 and 90, you don't send a discount. You trigger a personalized value rediscovery email. The AI looks at what features that specific customer used most in the past and writes an email saying, "Hey, we notice you haven't used the automated reporting tool lately. Did you know we just updated the templates?" It feels human. It feels helpful. It doesn't feel like a desperate plea for money. If the score is over 90, you trigger a Slack alert to the business owner to personally reach out. That high-touch intervention for high-value customers is what justifies your $4,000 monthly retainer. I tested this with a boutique SaaS company that had a 9% monthly churn rate. That is incredibly high. It means they were replacing their entire customer base every 11 months. Within 30 days of implementing this AI scoring and automated outreach, we dropped their churn to 4.5%. For a company doing $100,000 in monthly revenue, that 4.5% difference is worth $54,000 a year in saved revenue. Charging them $4,000 a month to maintain that system is an absolute bargain for them. They see a 10x return on investment immediately. Don't listen to the people telling you to build a wrapper or a new AI app from scratch. The competition there is a bloodbath. Instead, go where the money already is. Subscription businesses are sitting on piles of data they don't know how to use. You are selling them a revenue recovery system. When you pitch this, do not talk about AI models or LLMs. They don't care. Talk about churn reduction and LTV extension. Use their own numbers against them. Ask them, what is your current churn rate? And what is a customer worth to you over their lifetime? If a customer is worth $1,000 and they lose 50 a month, they are losing $50,000. When you show them how you can save 15 of those people using an automated system, the sale is closed. The biggest mistake you will make is trying to be too broad. Do not offer this to everyone. Pick a niche like Shopify subscription apps or B2B SaaS in the HR space. Each niche has different churn signals. In a fitness app, a churn signal is missing 3 workouts. In a B2B software, it's failing to add a second team member. You need to customize your Claude prompts to look for these specific signals. This is why you can charge a premium. You are providing the brain for their retention department. To start today, you don't need a fancy website. You need a Loom video. Go to a site like BuiltWith, search for companies using Recharge or Stripe, and find businesses that are clearly doing high volume. Record a 5-minute video showing them a mock-up of the churn score dashboard you can build for them using their own data. Show them the logic. If user A does X, we trigger Y. Most founders are too busy fighting fires to build this themselves. They will gladly pay you to take the problem off their plate. I'm telling you, the AI agency space is getting crowded with people selling content generation and chatbots. Those are commodities now. Predictive analytics and automated revenue retention are the high ground. It requires more thinking and better prompting, but that is exactly why the profit margins are higher. You aren't just a guy with a tool, you are a partner in their growth. One final warning, do not over-automate the actual communication. If the AI sounds like a robot, the customer will leave even faster. Use the AI to analyze the data and draft the message, but always ensure the logic of the message is grounded in actual user behavior. Use Claude's system prompt to give it a specific brand voice that matches the client. If the brand is edgy, the retention email should be edgy. If it's corporate, keep it formal. If you want to actually make money with AI, stop looking for the magic button and start looking for the expensive problem. Churn is a 6-figure problem for almost every mid-sized company. You now have the workflow to fix it. Get on LinkedIn, find Head of Growth or VP of Success titles, and show them the math. If you can save them 5 customers a month, you've paid for yourself. Everything after that is pure profit for them and a stable, recurring check for you. This is how you build a real business in 2025. Go build the system, use the data, get paid. CTA. If you want the specific JSON schemas I use for churn scoring, check the link in the description for my workflow vault. Stop guessing and start building.